I'm in this bitch smoking like Bob Marley. I keep me a white bitch, I call it. I like the way the bitch ride me like a Harley. Do you ever pass your weed? Nah, hardly. Can I hit your weed? I beg your pardon. I'm in this bitch polo down like Carter. I keep me some hollow tips in my cartridge, just for them niggas who like to start shit. I gotta keep the money coming, ain't no options. How you like your head? I like it sloppy. How you like your hoes? I like. Man, what's up, gang? I'm out here on some owner operator shit right now. I'm finna repair that line. Like, this the shit that come with it. The shop, as you can see, they told me it'll be fucking noon or 1 o'clock before they, could be able to get to me and just to fix the fucking airline. And I said, man, fuck that. I'm gonna fix it myself. So I'm gonna let y'all, man, watch along, man. This owner operator shit. So I'm gonna show y'all the airline, which one I'm changing. All right, I'm putting this one on. I just got it at the truck stop. And let me see. This one I already rubbed up against the tie of the electric line. As you can see, I replaced that with a coil over. That ain't nothing but pigtail. I been did that. As you can see, that's where the line rubbed up. Got a little hole in it on the red line. So I'm finna change it. Bought this crushing wrench too. I ain't got time to wait on them, man, play with nobody. Plus, this saving me money doing that. This saving the company money and saving me money. I ain't with all that, man. All that playing and stuff. This ain't nothing. You telling me you ain't gonna take all day just to do this? Come on now. Do this shit here myself, man. Yeah, I already slick work on cars. I do all my work on my own car and stuff. Change my brakes and all that. I'm not really sitting up there waiting on that. Whatever I need to do. I got a load to go pick up. I just got a no torque lumber load. So it's a little. I just got a no torque lumber load. And I took it because I had another load paying $4,000 or something, but deadhead on it. I wasn't with that. How far I was deadhead and everything. I said, nah, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna deadhead like that. I ain't take that one because of the deadhead on it. Working, man. I ain't out here playing. I'm out here for real. Ain't nothing but a damn airline, hell. Hey, keep you some tools for shit like this, man. Like, I don't got all day to wait. I don't got all day to wait on them to change. I'm trying to get this no problem on my load. That's an easy ass load. Then they're gonna get me in a position to get a good load. Change this bitch right here in front of the truck stop. Fuck y'all. Ain't gonna take all day. Just charge motherfucking arm and leg. No sir. Not today. Not big swag, mo. They ain't finna do big swag, mo, like that today. I got it today. My own shit today. This out the way. But I was just showing y'all this repair, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It ain't nothing, man. This ain't nothing. I just showing y'all, man, stuff on how I'm doing, man. Like, I'm for real, man. So I'm gonna turn y'all out probably. This ain't nothing. But simple stuff, man. It's ruined. I just wanna update y'all, guys. I'm gonna turn y'all off. I ain't even gonna make this video that long. I'll talk back with y'all about something else. Y'all let me know what y'all want to know or something, man, in the comment, man. Yes, sir. I'm out. I'm in this bitch smoking like Bob Marley. I keep me a white bitch, I call it. I like the way the bitch ride me like a Harley. Do you ever pass your weed? Nah, hardly. Can I hit your weed? I beg your pardon. I'm in this bitch polo down like Carter. I keep me some hollow tips in my Cortex. Just for them niggas who like to start shit. I gotta keep the money coming, ain't no options. How you like your head? I like it sloppy. How you like your hoes?